Hi, this is Jason from FCA-Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at ActivTrades. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. ActivTrades is an award-winning, fully regulated Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2001 in London. As one of our top-rated brokers, we recommend ActivTrades for all types of traders, from beginners with no experience who want to learn the basics and practice on demo accounts, to professionals and institutional clients who are looking for a reliable, MetaTrader-friendly broker with a wide range of advanced trading tools and instruments, including indices, Forex pairs, Commodities, Cryptocurrencies and Shares. To open a live account with ActivTrades, a minimum deposit of $500 will be required initially. But once your account is activated, you will be able to use a variety of platforms. Customer support will be available 24 hours a day, and you will have access to exclusive ActivTrades tools and add-ons that will give you a competitive edge in the trading game. You can rest assured that your funds are in good hands with this FCA-regulated broker. Negative balance protection is guaranteed, and you will never have to worry about your losses exceeding the amount you deposited. ActivTrades delivers a user-friendly website that can easily be navigated by simply selecting an option from the menu bar. The homepage displays their features and trading conditions, as well as the spreads and tools they offer. You can also view some of the awards they have won by scrolling down the page, and you can find a list of more options at the bottom of the homepage. To find more information about the instruments you can trade with ActivTrades, simply choose one of the instruments displayed on the homepage, or click on the Markets tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. ActivTrades currently offers more than 50 currency pairs, with tight spreads starting as low as 0.5 pips. As an ActivTrades client, you can earn more with cashback rewards on every trade you place, and you can get 30% cash back and even earn up to $5,500 every time you successfully refer a friend. When trading with this broker, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, as well as the ActivTrader platform. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world today. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and they can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, over 30 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies with expert advisors, and much more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, 30 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, fundamental analysis, and much more. You also have the option of using ActivTrader, which is the ActivTrades proprietary trading platform. This platform can be used on mobiles, desktops, and tablets, and it can be downloaded both from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. This platform allows you to open positions directly from real-time charts using the instant buy and sell buttons, and you can easily trade your favorite instruments by creating a personalized watch list. ActivTrader is also available as a web trading platform, and it can be launched on Google Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. The ActivTrader platform comes with 14 interactive chart types and a range of price indicators that can be used to refine and improve your trading strategy. It also offers a unique market sentiment function that can be used to monitor market directions, and you can manage your trades and limit your risks through hedging and trailing stops. Not only are there multiple platforms to choose from, but you can also use premium active trader tools such as Smart Order 2, Smart Lines, the Smart Calculator, and much more. ActivTrades offers only one type of live trading individual account. However, this is a flexible, multifunctional account that can be used to access not only MetaTrader 4 and 5, but it can also be used to trade on the proprietary ActivTrades platform. The ActivTrades live account requires a minimum deposit of at least $500, and you can fund your account using up to 4 different base currencies, including the Euro, the US dollar, the Great British Pound, and the Swiss franc. You will be able to leverage your trades by up to 400 times the amount you deposited, and there are many different payment methods that you can use to conveniently fund your trading account. ActivTrades gives their clients access to exclusive trading tools and add-ons, such as the Pivot Points Indicator, Smart Forecast, and Smart Pattern tools for decision-making, easy-to-use strategy templates, and much more. ActivTrades also provides an elective professional account for professional traders and high net worth individuals. If you are considering trading for the very first time, or you would like to test new strategies that you are thinking of using, then you can use the demo version of the individual live account to trade completely risk-free. You will also have the option of converting your account to a swap-free account. However, this option is only available for Muslim traders. Creating an account with ActivTrades may take up to 24 hours, but it's a simple, straightforward process, and you can open an account with a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the ActivTrades homepage, and then click on the Open Account button. Complete the online application form, and after you have completed the application form, verify your account and email address. Next, you will want to log in to the client portal. Once you are logged into the client portal, you can fund your account once it's approved and simply start trading. After your account has been set up, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Simply download and install your preferred platform, and then log in with the credentials provided. Your login details will be provided via email. And just like that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with ActivTrades. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, your buy and sell order window, and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading, ActivTrades provides a variety of educational video tutorials over on their YouTube channel that cover everything you need to know about platform functionality to help you get started. All the videos are provided on their educational section. With regards to educational resources, we definitely recommend ActivTrades to beginners because you can use a risk-free demo account on any of the platforms they offer, which means that you will be able to experiment with all the MetaTrader 4 and 5 tools, as well as a variety of tools and features that come with the ActivTrader platform. This is also a great option for beginners because ActivTrades provides plenty of educational videos and trading manuals. They provide a trading glossary section, and you can also request one-on-one trading and even join online webinars. You can also watch webinars that were previously hosted by visiting the Webinars Archive section on the website. ActivTrades also provides news and analysis, which prepares traders for their trading day by giving technical insights and commentaries on the financial sector and how to keep up with the ever-moving markets. ActivTrades has received numerous notable awards during the past few years in operation. Some of their more recent awards include the Most Trusted Global Forex Broker in 2022 and the Best Customer Service of 2022 from International Investor Magazine, the Best CFD Broker in 2021 by Rankia, the International Investor Award winners for being the safest global broker in 2021, and many, many more. Overall, ActivTrades is available in more than 140 countries, making this one of the most accessible brokers in the world. Not only do they offer competitive trading conditions and beginner-friendly trading platforms with a variety of advanced trading tools, but they have also been rated as one of the most secure brokers in the world. There are many benefits to being an ActivTrades client, but what we like most about them is the way they prioritize customer support, the exclusive state-of-the-art trading tools they offer, and the fact that they give back to their clients through cashback rewards and referral programs. If you are interested, be sure to open your account today to claim your welcome bonus and bring a friend along with you to double your earnings. And that is our overview of ActivTrades. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.